Hi guys, welcome back to Mathsdale. Today we are working on quadratic graphs. So, like last time I made linear graphs, the quickest way how to draw the straight line graphs. Now I'm going to show you how to quickly draw quadratic graphs. It's mainly used in A level, so many people struggle that, but it's pretty very easy, quick and nice and easy trick to draw the quadratic graphs. So let's start now, guys. So this is the first question, y equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. So let's first put in the double bracket. If you have a calculator, A-level calculator, just put it on that. You'll get the thing. If you want to solve it, put in the double brackets, which is x factors of 6 making minus 5, which is 3 and 2, minus 3 and minus 2. That's it. So the coordinates for x is 3 and 2, and the y coordinate is y-intercept is just 6. So all right, let's start the graph now. So let's draw the graph now. So x coordinate is 2, so we'll just mark 2 somewhere here, and 3 is here, and y-intercept is 3 times 2, which is 6. So somewhere around here we'll say 6. That's it. So nice and easy. It's a positive graph, because if x squared is positive, then it will be a u. So we'll draw with a free hand, coming from here, going down, turning and going up. That's it. Done. That's your quadratic graph. The reason I use this white paper, not the graph paper, because like many times you have to just draw on the like plain white paper. Doing that, you don't have graphs or paper all the time. You have to get the clear estimation of that. That's nice and simple. You always remember, if it's a positive x square, it's u. If it's a negative x square, then it's n. So these are parabola graphs, quadratic graphs. So this is a nice and easy. You don't have to go for all this substitution and everything. Just pick 3 points, jump done. Let's do one more. Y equals x squared minus 9x plus 18. Let's put in the double bracket. As I said, if you have calculator, you can quickly get x values. Just substitute in that, or if it's GCSE, if you want to solve it, just like that. Factors of 18 making 9 is 6 and 3, which is 6 and 3 minus 6 and minus 9 times 18. So x is equal to 6 and 3. This is what. So with the calculator, you can straight get the values. That so in A level you're allowed to do that way. So first we have to get the x coordinate. Substitute the thing again, like let it be 3 here and 6 somewhere here. And what is our y-intercept? Minus 6 times minus 3, which is 18, which is 18. Either here, wherever you pick. Don't pick it from here. Get confused sometimes. So somewhere around 18 here. Right, that's it. Freehand. That's it. I bend my hand, that's why slightly it's like that, but this is how the logic works, like that. Pretty easy. Just freehand, just move it. Is a positive graph, so goes like that. Negative graph starts from here. Positive graph, so x squared is positive, it starts from here, goes all the way through. That's it, just pass through that. Goes up. It's parabola. I'm giving you the logic how to do it. If you practice a bit more, then you can smoothly draw the graphs. Let's do one more. Yeah, it's y equals minus x squared plus 7x minus 12. Right, this is a negative x square graph. So Again, you put on the calculator, you will get it. When you put on the calculator, you can easily get it. Or if you want to solve this quadratic, I'll show you that. Always take x common. Always leave it positive. So it will become like that. Then put in the double bracket x 4 and 3 minus minus. The minus is still outside. Then multiply minus with one of the brackets. So I'll multiply with the first bracket. That will become 4 minus x minus 3. That's how that became. So whenever, if you are solving in GCSE or without calculating A level, if this is negative, just try take it common, make it positive, solve it and multiply it back, because if you try to do that way, there's a high chance things can go wrong and you go wrong in that, you'll get a wrong answer. So yeah, x values are 4 and 3, right? Let's start the graph now. Yeah, so let's plot it. So our this is 3 will be somewhere here and 4 will be, you know, you can one way is you can easily draw the graph and put the coordinates. So sometimes that'll be helpful as well. This is 4 and it's minus 12. If they are gone minus minus, that is going to be minus 12. Remember that, don't get confused with that. So it will be somewhere here in the bottom. So it's going to be a negative graph, is n. So the graph goes pass through the points like that, flip it and turn. That's it. Simple. N-shaped graph. You can go a bit more neat, a bit more if you carefully do it. It'll be easy, but this is the logic. This is the logic which you can easily draw the graph without any issue. Just get the x coordinate, get the put it in here, get the y coordinate. Y coordinate will show, and if you see x squared as minus is going to be a n, and x squared is plus is going to be u. So it's pretty simple. You see that in your mind, you got it fine. Original equation, I'm not telling all this. Original equation is minus, so it's going to be n. You know that it's intersecting at this point, minus 12. And put these points, put the y coordinate, just draw it. Just freehand draw it. You don't need anything, you just freehand carefully draw it. Nice and smooth graph. It will be pretty easy in graph. I'll do one more question. Hope you guys are understanding that. To get a clear understanding, I'll quickly draw one more one. So the last one is y equals minus x squared plus 3x minus 28. I picked again the minus one just to give one more example for that. So that'll be x squared minus 3x. As I said, take the minus out. Put this lot in the double bracket without minus. The minus will be waiting outside. So that'll be x factors of 28 making 3, which is 7 take away 4, 3. So minus and plus. So the final answer, you just multiply it. 7 minus x plus 4. So values for x is equal to 7 and minus 4. Hope you guys got it. So let's draw the graph now. So we'll draw it here. 7 minus 4. So minus 4 somewhere here, I'll say, and 7 somewhere here, I'll say. Now see guys, this is a negative x square graph. So negative square graph will be n. To make sure it is n, our y have to be somewhere in the bottom or top, or depends on how the graph is coming, because it's normally what we think is it has to be here, but for it to turn, the y have to be here now for it to turn. Because if the earlier graph, they both one side, if they both are same side, then it'll be the bottom. If the both are apart, positive and negative, it'll be u. So make 0 plus 28. So it'll be somewhere up. So somewhere up here plus 28. But now remember one thing. People get confused and take it like this and make it like that. Remember, this is not the turning point. The turning point will be up here because this, the middle part of 7 and 4 is somewhere here at this point, which is 5.5-ish range, somewhere here in half of that, I mean, which is 1.5-ish range. So somewhere here is the turning point. So whenever you're drawing these type of graphs, just go smoothly, go up, then take a turn and come down with the smooth. Sorry, I'm drawing like a little bit messy, but I'm trying to show under the camera, so it's getting it like that. But this is the logic. See, I made it a little bit dark for you. It went all the way through up at this point, somewhere around 1.5-ish range. Then it turned that graph. So don't make it turn from here because it's not in the middle-ish range. So hope you guys are understanding. This is quadratic graphs. These are quadratic graphs. Make square. Just pick x point, put it on that, get the y, and see is a n or u. You won't go wrong. Many people get confused. They put in the other way around. They go wrong. Hope you guys understood. Share with your friends, and if you need any more videos on any specific thing, please put in the comments or just email it to us. Then we'll get back to you with more video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.